This is Miss Jonesy with my first prototype Easter basket for 2019. It is also a dress form and storage unit. When I place the chocolates in the top and give it to my granddaughter for Easter, she can eat the candy and then use this to store her nylons, her tights, and her socks. Watch the slideshow video. I show you how I make miniature little baskets out of coffee creamer caps. And this is all mostly material I already had from previous projects. This one reminds me of the Jack Skeleton wreath I made. That's when I bought this ribbon. This red velvet was something I used to make a stiletto shoe a while back. The diamond mesh, of course, is Dollar Tree. So is this cute little ladybug wings. And once again, I had quite a bit of this polka dotted ribbon left from the Jack Skeleton wreath I made for my daughter. And of course, this is 2 Dollar Tree baskets formed into a dress. The Dollar Tree basket looks like this. I also made a Dollar Tree lamp last year. See that video on how I did this one. So here's my prototype. Going to make a bumblebee one next. And then I think I will make a 100% Dollar Tree one for all you viewers who want to just purchase Dollar Tree items and create and craft. Isn't this cute? This is called a sweetheart neckline. Man, there's a lot of room to place candy. And then later store socks and nylons and tights. Subscribe to my channel, Legacy's Little Luxuries Arts and Crafts. And while I go along making Easter gifts, I will take pictures and upload them into a slideshow to give you an idea on how to create something different for Easter. Easter basket, a ladybug, Miss Ladybug for Legacy. And we nicknamed her Leggybug. So this is why I made it this theme for her. Subscribe. Take care. Bless.